गोरी भीगी अंगिया ओ रंग रसिया अरे सोने की थाली में जो ना परोसा सोने की थाली में जो ना परोसा सोने की थाली में जो ना परोसा काय गोरी का याद करते बरसे बट्टे और रंग बरसे भीगे चिर वाली रंग बरसे all right, you guys ready? Come on, I'm not going to be the only one that's going to be doing this tonight, okay? There's a lot of us. We came here to really party it up, so let's do this. So, before any parties, we got to have some ground rules, right, boss?
Yes, sir.
Rule number 1, go to the bathroom before you show up to the party. No. Rule number 1, nobody can leave here sober tonight. All right, there's plenty of beers in the back, wine, whatever you guys want. There's plenty of people to serve you. Get drunk tonight. Rule number 2, you gotta sing and dance your butt off, just like I just did. Okay, every single one of you guys, right? You ready for this?
Absolutely.
He's ready. He's ready. Anybody else? You guys ready? Are you ready? He's having food right now. He's gonna take his time, okay? Give him some time, let it settle in. He's a desi boy, you know, you gotta have your food in the system first, you know. You can't talk without the food. Okay, rule number 3. Rule number 3 is the best one, okay?